Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public beta in Bonelab using an easy method. Joining the public beta allows you to experience new content and features before they are widely released. This process is quite straightforward, taking only a few moments to complete. We will cover the steps for both PC VR platforms and standalone headsets, ensuring everyone can participate. Let's dive right into the instructions. Your first step is to locate the beta options for Bonelab. If you are playing on a PC VR platform, simply right-click on Bonelab in your game library and choose Properties. For those on standalone headsets, open the Games page within your mobile or desktop application. Once there, look for a Betas tab or a section labeled Version or Release Channel to proceed. Now, it's time to select the public beta. On PC VR, navigate to the Betas tab and choose Public Beta from the available drop-down menu. For standalone users, within the Version or Release Channel section, simply switch the option from Live to Public Beta. After making your selection, the game will automatically begin downloading the necessary beta files, typically a few hundred megabytes. Once you have selected the beta, allow the game to download and install the update. This might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, usually around 500 megabytes. After installation, launch Bonelab to explore the new features. If you wish to return to the stable version, simply repeat these steps and select None or Live from the beta options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.